Hello, welcome back. In this video we show how to add layer in Photopea. There are two ways, and let me show you now. We start by creating a new project. In this project there is already one background. Next I show you how to quickly create a new layer. Let's see the direction of the arrow. The new layer has been created, and let's rename it. The second way to create a new layer. Let's go to the Layers menu at the top. Select on New and Layer, then a new layer is created. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to look for Photopea tutorials and other videos on this channel.